is Dominic Daughtry, and I'm making this video because I want to show the people at Sundt a rarely used function in Bluebeam. It's called the Webtab, and basically it gives you the ability to surf the internet within Bluebeam through a Bluebeam web browser. It's extremely easy to do. It's definitely a 2-second lean best practice. So I'm going to get right into it, and I'm going to show you how it works. So you can see up here on the top panel, you've got all your main menus. If you go to File, you have the ability to open a web tab, and also when I hover over the web tab, it shows the shortcut, which is Control T. You also have the ability to go down in this gray area, whether there's a PDF open or not, and just right click and go to web tab here. So I'm going to open up a web tab, and it automatically opens up, and you have the ability to surf the web within Bluebeam, and it saves you the time of having to click out of Bluebeam, open up Microsoft Explorer, Internet Explorer, and then closing Internet Explorer, and then going back to Bluebeam. You have the ability to surf anything. Let's just do Sundt.com. Something simple. Just go to our company website. And because I'm recording this, it's going a little bit slower, you can see, but if you're not recording it and you're just doing it on your computer, it goes extremely fast. I find it to be, definitely comparable to Internet Explorer. So you can see right here, I'm in the Sundt website. I have the ability to go through and just surf the web just like you usually do, but it saves you the time of having to go out of Bluebeam and open up another program. You also have the ability, if you are on the Sundt web or your SharePoint site for your specific project, and you have the ability to click certain, if you have any documents, you're able to click and open them up from directly within Bluebeam. Uh, the one thing that I want to show you is at the bottom, you've got your web address bar. Just like in Internet Explorer, you also have your favorites right here, and you also have your home screen right here. So I'm going to show you real quick just how to set up your uh, home page. So right here, I've got my current home page is Google. I'm going to add a web favorite, and I'm going to just call this Sundt.com. So I will do www.sundt.com. I'm going to save it as a favorite. Currently, right now, my home page is Google. So when I open a web tab, it goes straight to Google. So I'm going to delete that from my home page. And then I'm going to go right here, select Sundt.com, and then say designate favorite as homepage. You see it automatically sends it down here. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to do it all over. Press Web tab, and it automatically takes me to the Sundt website, and I have the ability to surf the internet just like I was in any web browser. So this is extremely helpful. Like I said, you have the ability to have the Sundt web as your home page. Also, you have the ability to have your project specific SharePoint site or any site, Google, Firefox, any of those. You have the ability to have as your home page. So I hope everybody uses this. It's definitely, like I said, a 2-second lean best practice. And good luck, everyone. Thank you.